welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this soft glam that I'm rocking today. So guys, you know I work in the ICU and it's been crazy busy. Everything is so stressful nowadays, so you know I decided when I'm off I'm just gonna do something that I like to relax myself, because you can see on the sides of my face, between wearing a mask and everything for 12 hours, I'm just like, oh my gosh. So now when I'm off, I just want to do something that I really love, like wear makeup and everything. So right now I'm just going to show you this soft glam that I'm rocking today. Nothing serious, you know, just want to look cute for a little bit. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm just going to use my Dip Down Brow Long Wear Fluid Line by MAC Cosmetics for my brows. I'm just going to be using this LA Girl concealer to clean up my brows with. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using this green color. It's called Glowing, all over my eye. Then I'll take this 24K, which is the gold color, and just apply it on my lid. So I want to give this a little bit of a boost, okay? Just a little bit lighter than the green that I have on all over. And then I'm just going to use the same concealer that I used to clean up my brows with. I'm just going to take that and apply it on my dark spots. And for my lashes, guys, I'll be using this Adele lashes. And then I'll use my MAC Cosmetics foundation. This is the Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC44. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And then I'll be using this L'Oreal concealer in color Fairlight, and I'll be using this as my highlighter. And for my contour, I'm just going to use this NYX concealer in the color Mocha. And then I'll be using this banana powder just to set my concealer. I'm just going to be using this MAC Cosmetics Dark Mineralize Skin Finish Powder and apply this all over my face just to make sure everything blends out well. And for my blush, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics palette. For my highlight, I'll be using this Glow and Bronze powder that is by Kiss, and this is for the face and body, but I usually just use it for my face. And for my waterline, I'm just going to be using the same palette, but this is a darker green, and this is color Australis. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Australis. And I'm just going to use my setting spray, this Urban Decay setting spray, and I'll finish this with my lipstick. This is Colored Rain lipstick, and this is in shade Mars. And I love this lipstick, guys. I won't be using a pencil or anything today. Actually, when I use this lipstick, I feel like it works okay without a pencil, so I'm just gonna line this all over my lip. And then I'm just gonna be using my Too Faced mascara, and that's about it. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you want to see in my next video, guys. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.